What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Dayo and this is Frunkla Investment. So for those of you that are asking me, Dayo, why is the market down? Why is Bionano Genomics stock going down even after meeting all analyst estimation yesterday during the earning call? Why is it down? So take a look at this map, guys. If you go to the biotechnology sector, you can see it is down, okay? And if you go to the technology sector, if you go to the semiconductor, you can see we have only very few stocks that are green here. QCOM, TSM, NVIDIA, they are down. Microsoft is down, Adobe is down, Apple is down, and if you go to this sector, you can see Facebook is down, Amazon is down, Baba. This consumer cyclical is, almost all down. And Tesla, of course, is extremely down today also. You can easily see Tesla is presently trading at 646 US dollar at the moment, down like 2.33%. But if you come to the biotechnology sector, they are mostly beaten down. Look at that, almost 80% of the sector is down, and you can see them, they are down like 4%, 3%, and so on and so forth. So let's go to the next page. Now, for those of you that trade forex or follow forexlive.com, there is an article that was shared by Greg Michalovsky. The title says NASDAQ moves to new session low. It's not interest rate, but selling intensifies. So it's not interest rate that is making the NASDAQ to go down presently, and I am going to show you guys something that is very interesting in the next page. But before I show you guys, take a look at this. The NASDAQ index. The NASDAQ index is not necessarily falling on a rise in interest rates today. The 10-year yield is up about 1.4 basis points, which comes after a minus 7.4 basis point decline yesterday. The 30-year is up 0.6 basis points after a shortfall yesterday. Yields are lower on Monday as well. Nevertheless, the markets are rotating sharply out of the NASDAQ stocks and into the cyclicals, including the Dow30. So let me show you guys something. So check this out, guys. This is the chart of Bionano Genomics on the left hand side, and at the middle we have NASDAQ, and at the right hand side we have DJ30 Dow Jones. So this is these candlesticks are dailies, okay? This is dailies and dailies. So you can easily see that in 2021 January, when the market started, you can see Bionano Genomics opened around this level, around this $5 US level, okay? Let's use it as an example. And right now we can see the stock is trading at 7.80 US dollars, which of course it is still positive, okay? From about $5 US to 7.81 US dollars at the moment. That is up over 20%, okay? I mean, I am just trying to to be as conservative as possible. So take a look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ opened at this level on January 1st. Let me pick this tool. It's opened around this level, around this 12,800 and something US dollars. And as you guys can see, the NASDAQ is just tiny bit up. If you want to compare the price to when it's opened and where it is presently, you can see it is just a little bit up. And NASDAQ has been, it went up to almost 14 US dollars. It turned back at this 13.900 US dollars, and it went as low as 12,234 US dollars, and right now we can see it just went up, came down. So more or less what NASDAQ is doing is, it is waving. That is what I can see it's doing. So if you want to compare NASDAQ, because NASDAQ is where you can find all these tech stocks like Tesla, for example, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, you can find all of them here. So if you go to the DJ30, the Dow Jones, you can see that on at the beginning of this year, Dow Jones started around 30,500, and right now it is up about 32,679 US dollars at the moment, okay? So you can easily see that Dow Jones is beating NASDAQ, and this, guys, this is where biotechnology stocks are more or less under this NASDAQ, okay? You can just put them in this category as well. So you guys can easily see what is going on. Take a look at the chart of Bionano Genomics. Of course, at the beginning of the year it went very high and then it's retraced a little bit. You can easily see the resemblance with NASDAQ. You can see NASDAQ also went high, then it came down. So that is what happened here with Bionano Genomics. Now it went up a little bit, and so you guys can easily tell it is following what the tech stocks are doing. That's what Bionano Genomics is following. Nothing has changed about the fundamental of Bionano Genomics, guys. Nothing has changed. So it is simply doing what the rest of the market is doing right now. Biotechnology stocks are going down. Have you guys seen Illumina? Have you guys seen Pac Bio? They all went up. Illumina went as high as 550 something US dollars, I believe at the end of January. I mean, I was like, wow. And right now the stock is down to about 400 US dollars, or even it went below that. I believe maybe perhaps right now Illumina is below 400 US dollars, So this is what is happening, guys. The Dow Jones is the only thing that is up right now. NASDAQ is down. So all those tech stocks, they are down with NASDAQ. If you see NASDAQ go up to around this 14,000 US dollars, I bet you are going to see BNGO rise away. It's going to break this 10 US dollars. So more or less, that is what is happening. Nothing has changed with the fundamentals of Bionano Genomics. You guys watched the earning report, the earning call yesterday, and you can tell they are, after the, they want to destroy competition, guys. I mean, Sapphire is selling, they are installing, and of course, the pandemic is also not helping right now. So we just have to wait and see. I mean, you don't sell into weakness, you sell into strength, like I have always been telling you guys. So there's one more thing I want to show you guys. So let's quickly take a look at what happened yesterday. So if you guys calm down a little bit, you can easily see, this is the earning. The consensus EPS, for the fourth quarter of 2020 was minus 0.05 estimate, and Bionano Genomics actual is minus 0.05. I think Bionano Genomics actual was minus, or is minus 0.04, not 0.05. So I don't know why Yahoo Finance is showing it as minus 0.05. And of course, for the first quarter of 2021, the estimate right now is also it's about minus 0.04. That is the estimate. So I think Bionano Genomics are they will beat this estimate, okay, this minus 0.04, and I believe they are going to report, they are going to meet this estimate, when they report the next earnings. So take a look at this, guys. In the first quarter of 2020, they missed the estimate, by 0.09, but in the second quarter they met it. So what I'm trying to tell you guys right here is, if you take a look at the third quarter of 2020, that is when the the pandemic started around this March, April, May. That is when the lockdown started. So you can easily see it reflecting in the earnings, in the third quarter of 2020 earnings. And of course, before the ending of the year, everything was, subdued a little bit. The pandemic was a little bit relaxed. I mean, lockdown was a little bit relaxed, and all these laboratories were able to open again, following of course, the CDC guidance or whatever. So you can easily see that is why they met the EPS right here, and I believe they are going to meet it again, because the pandemic is not new anymore. I believe the only reason they missed this third quarter of 2020 EPS is because of the pandemic. So, and you can easily see in their revenue, if you take a look at the earnings, they earn minus 41 million US dollars, which is of course bigger than what they lost. This is a loss, okay? It is bigger than what they lost in the third quarter. I believe this is, okay, 2019, sorry. It's bigger than what they lost in 2019, and of course bigger than what they lost in 2018. And the reason I believe is because they are going aggressive. We are talking about research and development, and they are increasing their sales and advertisement team or whatever, just to bring in more clients, more customers for the Sapphire device. So if you go up a little bit, the total revenue, of course, for the 2020, December 30th, ended December 30th, is 8.5 million US dollars, and the gross profit is 2.7 million US dollars. So another thing I can show you guys here is operating income. You can easily see it's minus 38.5 million US dollars, okay, which of course is bigger than what they lost in 2019 and 2018. So it shows you that Bionano Genomics is a growth company, and they are spending towards that. And of course, the installation of Sapphire is reflecting that this is something positive, not as negative. Even though these numbers are showing negative, the total market opportunity of Bionano Genomics, guys, is billions. This is a multi-billion dollar market opportunity. So minus 38 million US dollars is nothing. They have to go aggressive so that they can, reach their total market target. So if you come down a little bit, you can easily see what else can I talk about here. If we go down a little bit, I think that is it, because I want to make this video as short as possible. So let take a look at the price of Bionano Genomics right now. It is down about 7% right now. It is trading at 7.79 US dollars at the moment. It's down like 59 cents right now. So yeah, so I believe that is all about this video. Tomorrow or on Friday, I will try to do a technical analysis and show you guys where I am buying right now. So have a wonderful day, guys. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe. We talk about Bionano Genomics every day from Sunday to Sunday. If you are invested in this company, you want to know what is going on with this company, and that is why I have about 3,000 subscribers on my channel, because they want to be ahead of their game so that they can make better decisions with their investment in Bionano Genomics. So have a wonderful day, guys. I remain your boy Dayo. This is Frunkla Investment. Bye bye.